Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can make a home page, or how to make a page a home page. The home page is the page that when you write your website domain.com and after the slash you don't write anything, that is the home page, which is the first page that your website will open that. Well, most of us guys want to change the homepage or make it something different, and we don't know how to do it. In this video I will show you everything about it. So first of all guys, what I will need you to do is go to your WordPress dashboard by opening wordpress.com/wp admin. Right after you tap this, it will not open this page for you. Instead, they will ask you to put your username and password. Right after that, this page will be open for us. So now what I'm going to do is click on pages, and from here we click on add new. So like that, we can name this page whatever you like. So let's name it, for example, homepage. So something like that. And now we can see everything about the page here. Page attributes, we can add a discussion to it, allow comments, but the main page doesn't have any comments, so we don't need that. If you want to add any featured images, and if you want to publish it immediately or to make it scheduled. Now let's make it publish, and let's publish it. Now as you can see, view page, and it is named in the main menu, but if you click on here, it will take us to this page that is so random. So what we need to do is go through customize, and from customize there is all of these options. So here what we need to do is go to the homepage settings, and here you will find that it is on your post. What we need it to be on a static page, and here we need to show our specific page, which will be the home page. So now it is been updated to home page. Now what we need to do is go and click on publish. So after publishing it, this page, if we close this and we went to our website and clicked on user blog, it will take us to home page, which is the page that we have selected. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and see you next tutorial. Bye bye.